Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2126 indicates a problem with the accelerator pedal position APP sensor B, which is an essential component for the vehicle's throttle control. The APP sensor is integrated with the accelerator pedal module, and its primary role is to send the appropriate voltage signal to the powertrain control module, PCM. When the output voltage from the APP sensor B is not within the specified range, the PCM registers this abnormality and stores the DTC. Typical voltage ranges for the APP sensor should be between 0.42 volts and 2.46 volts. If the values fall outside this range, it suggests a malfunction that requires immediate investigation. The location of the APP sensor is typically found near the accelerator pedal in the driver footwell area, making it relatively accessible for inspection and testing. The error pertains specifically to the APP sensor B's output voltage, which is monitored by the PCM to ensure the appropriate functioning of the vehicle's throttle system. If the APP sensor B voltage is detected outside a given range, the PCM flags it as a potential fault, leading to DTC P2126 being stored. The output voltage is crucial for the proper modulation of the throttle, thus affecting vehicle performance. The physical location of the APP sensor makes it relatively easy to access for troubleshooting procedures. This proximity helps technicians quickly diagnose the root cause of the error, whether it be related directly to the sensor or to other connected components such as wiring or the PCM itself. Understanding the role and location of the APP sensor is vital for effective repair. Several issues could lead to the DTC P2126 being triggered. A faulty APP sensor is a primary suspect, as it directly influences the voltage reading that the PCM relies on. If the sensor is malfunctioning, it will provide erroneous signals. Additionally, there may be open or short circuits in the wiring that connects the APP sensor to the PCM, which can also affect voltage readings. Lastly, if other components check out fine, the PCM itself could be at fault, requiring further examination. Each of these causes must be methodically ruled out during the troubleshooting process, ensuring that the real culprit is identified and addressed. Drivers may experience a variety of symptoms indicating the presence of DTC P2126. One common symptom is poor throttle response. The vehicle may be sluggish or unresponsive when attempting to accelerate. Another immediate effect is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, which serves as a warning that something is amiss. In some cases, unexpected acceleration behavior may also be observed, where the accelerator does not behave as anticipated, leading to unsafe driving conditions. These symptoms highlight the importance of addressing the issue promptly to ensure safe vehicle operation and to avoid further complications. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2126 involves powering the vehicle into the on mode to allow diagnostics to take place. Once the vehicle is ready, the technician must confirm the APP sensor B voltage as displayed in the HDS diagnostic tool. If this voltage reads less than 0.42 volts or more than 2.46 volts, it indicates that the sensor is out of its normal operating range. This situation confirms that a malfunction exists, warranting further inspection of the APP sensor and associated circuitry. Additionally, reviewing the HDS data will give valuable insights into the current functioning state of the sensor, helping to guide the next steps in troubleshooting. In this step, the technician will disconnect the APP sensor connector to prepare for testing the voltage signal. After disconnecting, a jumper wire is used to connect terminals number 1 and number 3 of the APP sensor connector. Once the jumper wire is in place, the vehicle's ignition should be activated again to check the new readings from the HDS diagnostic tool. The expected outcome is that the HDS should show an APP sensor B voltage greater than 0.42 electrons. If this condition is met, it indicates that the issue lies within the accelerator pedal module. Conversely, if the readings do not comply, it points to further investigation of other related components. In this troubleshooting step, focus shifts to inspecting the VCC2 power supply, APS2 signal, and SG2 ground circuits. Prior to this inspection, ensure that the APP sensor connector as well as the PCM connector are both disconnected to avoid any erroneous readings. The technician should use a multimeter to confirm that the resistance in these circuits is less than 1 ohm, indicating good connectivity. If the resistance is greater than this value, it will imply an open circuit somewhere along the wiring. The testing should also include checking for shorts in the wires, as these issues could very well affect the voltage output to the PCM and lead to the DTC being stored. The final step in the troubleshooting process involves checking the powertrain control module, PCM, if all previous tests have returned normal results. A normal inspection from the APP sensor and circuit checks would indicate that the issue lies with the PCM itself. This step often involves more in-depth testing to confirm the functioning of the PCM, including its ability to process inputs from various sensors effectively. If the PCM is found to be problematic, it will likely require replacement or reprogramming to restore proper engine function. It is crucial to ensure that earlier tests have ruled out any other faults before concluding that the PCM is the source of the DTC P2126. After completing repairs based on the troubleshooting steps for DTC P2126, it is essential to conduct a final verification process. First, clear the DTC from the vehicle's memory to reset the system and remove any warnings. Following this, perform a test drive to confirm that the throttle system operates smoothly and without issues. During the test drive, monitor the APP sensor B voltage readings from the HDS to ensure they now fall within the normal operational ranges. This step is vital in ensuring that the problem has indeed been resolved and that the vehicle is functioning correctly before considering the issue closed. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P2126 and ensure the long-term reliability of the vehicle, it is important to adopt a routine preventive maintenance schedule. Regular inspections of the wiring connected to the APP sensor can help catch potential issues before they escalate into serious problems. Ensure that all connections to the APP sensor are tight and free from corrosion, which can cause faulty voltage readings. Routine monitoring of voltage outputs is also recommended to catch any anomalies early. By taking these preventive measures, drivers can maintain optimal vehicle performance and avoid costly repairs down the road. In conclusion, addressing DTC P2126 revolves around understanding the critical role of the accelerator pedal position sensor B within the vehicle's throttle control system. A clear method for troubleshooting can effectively isolate the problem to either the sensor itself, the wiring, or the PCM. By employing systematic troubleshooting steps and adhering to preventive maintenance practices, the likelihood of encountering similar issues in the future can significantly diminish. Maintaining awareness of symptoms associated with DTC P2126 also plays an important role in early diagnosis. Lastly, understanding these processes not only empowers the technician, but ultimately leads to a safer and more reliable driving experience for the vehicle owner. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.